Whether you're using rainwater to water your garden, for supply to your laundry, bathroom or toilet, or your house is not on mains water at all, the Grundfos Scala1 can provide you with the water pressure you need. An all-in-one self-priming booster with Bluetooth connectivity, Scala1 is quiet, approved for use with drinking water, and simple to install, customise, control and even troubleshoot via the Grundfos GO App on your mobile device. Suitable for pumping from water sources above and below the level of the pump, and with a suction lift of 8 metres, Scala1 also boasts dry run and anti-cycling protection, as well as auto start-stop. And all this comes enclosed within a tough, weather-resistant outer casing. With 2 models to choose from, finding the right pump for your particular needs is simple. Get yours today. For more information, visit our website or your local Grundfos authorised dealer.